everybody. David Donahue, Josh Gould. This is a little bit of an intro for our Ask a Pro episode 11, where we're going to be talking to Josh about his ADU project that he did himself. So this is going to be a do-it-yourselfer, 1 hour conversation, talk about the design side of it, the build side of it, how much time went into it, and what it cost. So join us next week for Ask a Pro episode 11 with Josh Gould, and we're going to be talking about this 650 square foot 2-bedroom, 1 bath. We'll see you guys then.
See you later.
Bye.